Hello everybody, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and in today's video we are going to be counting up our $5 bills and our $1 bills for the second quarter of 2020. Now we know the second quarter has been a little crazy. I was not able to spend as much cash as I normally would have because of the beginning of quarantine, but we are going to get into what I was able to save by way of cash. Now there's other money that I did save that just went directly to my savings account, and for the sake of this video we're gonna leave that out and we're just only gonna be counting our cash, okay? If you are not following me, please do so. Stop what you're doing and click on that subscribe button right there, or right there, or right there, right wherever it is. Make sure you click on it, and then also please make sure that you click the notification bell so that you do not miss another video from me. And then also please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And then also make sure you leave a comment. You know I love to talk to you guys in the comments, so please make sure that you leave a comment, okay? So we are going to be counting up second quarter's $5 challenge and $1 challenge, okay? I know that there's other money that I saved, like the Christmas money or the 12-month challenge money and all that stuff, but honestly guys, I can count it, but I really don't know. I can't decipher what was from first quarter and second quarter because I got kind of lost. Honestly, I'm just not even gonna lie. So let's go ahead and get to counting. So this money here was in my second quarter envelope here, and I think this is the only money that I saved for the month of April. I think that is, but let's get to counting. So this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20. Or first, let's just separate it out. Okay. So then I have my $5 jar here, and let's take all the cash out of here, because now what I'm gonna do is for third quarter I'm gonna start all over again filling up this jar here, okay? So let's take all this money out. This was all from second quarter. Okay, we're starting again for Q3, you guys. Starting fresh. All right, so let's go ahead and separate all this money out. Alright, so I have separated all of the money. Now we are going to count it. I also want to say that I'm not necessarily just completely doing a $1 challenge. It's just sometimes, a lot of times I will just go on my wallet, I'll take all of the ones out, and then I'll set it aside. It's just totally random. So I'm not saving every single $1 bill. So I just want to make that clear. But I am saving every single $5 bill, okay? So let's get started with our counting. So here I'm gonna put $5 bills. Okay, I'll count it out loud. I don't know if I'm gonna speed this part up, but I'm gonna count it out loud. Let me put my phone on vibrate because I think it's probably about to start going off. All right. So we got $170 in $5 bills. Now let's check the $1 bills. Alright, this is $35 in $1 bills. And then we have a $10 random bill here. And that is it. So let's do our calculations. We're not gonna do the carry the one this time because I have a handy dandy fancy calculator here that I picked up one day. So we got 170 plus 35 plus $10. Oops, I know it's 215, but let's see. 170 plus 35 plus 10 equals $215, y'all. So we got $215 saved in $5 bills and in $1 bills and this random 10 here. So definitely still excited about being able to save this much during the majority of quarantine. I don't really know how I did it, but I think I was for the most part still using cash because I just can't do the card thing. It's just not my thing. So you always want to do what's best for you and not what's best for your favorite finance person, your best not financial advisor, but your best finance coach or whatever. You want to do what's best for you. So I know one that we always follow tells us to we have some people who say use all cash, we have some people who say don't. You know, you just gotta do what's best for you. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna add it. This is third quarter, so we're adding it to the rest of the cash that we had saved from first quarter. So that's looking like a real nice snack, huh? Don't that look good? Oh, ew. Go to the strip club. No, we are not. Okay, so let's go ahead and close that. And like I said, let's go ahead and count our our 12 month. We'll count our leftover and our 12 month, only because I just want to see kind of like where we are. I'm not going to count the sinking funds. I'll have a separate video where we count our sinking funds. But I know that you guys have been following me as it relates to the 12-month challenge. So I think it's a good idea to count where we are with that, okay? So let's get to counting. I gotta start over, you guys. I lost count. Don't you hate when you do that? You count money and then you lose count. So that's why you have to separate it out like this. 1, 2, 5, So this is $25. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, $525 for our 12-month challenge. Not bad. $525. Okay, holidays. Okay, Christmas time. So that's in our Christmas envelope. And then, which I'm gonna have to create another Christmas envelope or a 12-month challenge envelope because I don't want to put the cash in the bank. And then this is for our leftover envelope. So this is all the money that I've had left over from cash envelopes. So let's go ahead and calculate this. $61. So this is $161. All right, so this is $161 of leftover cash, and now this leftover cash is from second quarter. This is not all of the leftover cash from the beginning of the year. This is leftover cash from second quarter. Okay. But everything else, let me see. I think, yeah, there's nothing else to be counted here. So I think that we are doing pretty good, right? That's pretty good. I'm not going to calculate all of it because some of this was done during first quarter, so I don't want to, you know, make it seem like I saved this much for second quarter and first quarter, because that's not true. This completely right here, the $215, that is something that I did save during second quarter. Some of this and some of this is what I saved in first quarter and second quarter. But if you do go to my Instagram account at budget_treasures_, you will be able to see how much I saved, and that is only in my phone's ringing, guys. That's my uncle. I'm gonna call him back. Okay, so that, when you go to my Instagram and you see that savings is what went directly into my savings account. So that's where you'll see the majority of the $5 bills that was saved. This is just the cash that I saved. Oh, and here's some more cash that I saved too. I think that this is worth counting. I'm saving for something, but I did start saving this. I'm saving for a nail kit, but I did save this in second quarter. So actually, yeah, let's count this because this is significant as well. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83. So this is $85, and that's going towards my nail project here. That's 85 bucks. So, which is my savings project. That's what I call my savings project. Which this might just turn into saving for the Notique planner, because I really do want that planner. I want to be able to switch from my Recollections planner to the Notique planner. So that's what this money might turn into, because I really do want one. So there you have it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave it in the description box. But until then, I am super stoked and excited about third quarter. I believe that savings is just going to really be amazing. We're doing a no buy July challenge for the month of July. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I encourage you to do that. Head on over to budget_treasures_. Follow me there, where you'll be able to get updates on the No by July. I'm also going to do videos on it as well, but just for real-time updates and real-time updates on what I save in my emergency fund and my savings account and all that good stuff. I'd encourage you to follow me over there. But thank you guys so much for riding with your girl. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. What do I always tell y'all? What do I say? Go be great. Peace out.